Hey, good afternoon and happy Tip Tuesday. I'm Chris on the solution side here. Just want to talk to you quickly about our test point table. We've made a few changes with version 14 that I think you're going to appreciate, so let's dive on in. So first and foremost, on the equipment record here, when we go to our test point table, we've got the ability to now look at all of our test point columns as a sorted or unsorted. By default now, these should all be sorted, but if you ever want to go back to just that standard kind of hodgepodge approach, you can simply do that. But this does make it significantly easier for finding the items that you're looking for. Next up, we've got a couple of other fields that are going to do some auto calculations for you. In the past, we had to do a couple of formulas in there to get exactly what we wanted. But now, when we start looking at our deviation and our percent of tolerance, there's going to be automatically calculated for us. So simply, all we need to do on the results grid here is simply turn them on. So you'll see I have deviation as found and deviation as left. And I also have percent of tolerance as found and percent of tolerance as left. So I've got those turned on here, and let's just dive into a calibration to see what that will. Pull in an asset, and in mine, I'm using test point tabs. So let's just go to the default tab. When we come on down here to calibration results, we'll start entering as normal. And as I start entering that data, you're going to see deviation as found and percent of tolerance as found have auto calculated for us. So let's go ahead and put something in here that is a little bit different. So that way we can start seeing. So now you can see that we're using 50% of our tolerance on the as found. And then we are 500 thou off from our 1-inch nominal. Same exact thing if we were to go all the way down. Now you can see we're using 100% of our tolerance as found, and then we're an entire inch off of our nominal. Same thing's going to apply here if we were to do as left. Of course, we can do a copy as found to as left, and we're going to get the exact same numbers. However, if we go ahead and make an adjustment here, let's just say 3.5, and then we're going to bring that back to nominal. Now you'll see our tolerance as found is 50%, and then our tolerance as left is back to 0. Just like that, we're doing some auto calculations, so no longer do you have to worry about formulas on your setup grid. Hopefully you'll find this useful and significantly easier to implement. Happy calibrating.